I bet you've thought about doing something to your face to look more youthful, but surgery, not always an option. Well, if you're ready to look 20 years younger without going under the knife, you're in luck. Dr. Iannitelli from Advanced Image Med Spa is here to tell us about a procedure called Renuvion. I'm so excited about this. Of course, we all love hearing about technology, but this is something really unique. What is it exactly?
So it's cold plasma, which most people haven't heard of. They want to make it a laser because that's familiar, but it's actually its own separate creature. So it's kind of like I get my own mini lightning bolt at my disposal.
You're like a superhero is what you are. All right, let's talk about the uniqueness of Renuvion, though. As you were explaining to me, is that it has it has options for you. And why is that important to us?
So the Renuvion device really can be used in two main ways. One is going to be an alternative to laser resurfacing.
Okay.
And that's actually going to allow us to be more aggressive if we choose to than laser resurfacing. We have options with that one, but we can get very aggressive if we would like to.
Okay.
And then we can also use it pretty much anywhere in the body for skin tightening.
Okay. What's really cool is that if you, when we come in for that all-important consultation,
correct,
you can do different types of treatments on my face versus my neck with the same. Correct. In the same treatment.
Yep. So we have a lot of people.
Depending on how aggressive you want to go.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we have a lot of people that will come in and they'll do a facial resurfacing, and at the same time they'll do lower face and neck skin tightening, and so it's like they get the whole kit and caboodle.
Wow.
Or they'll resurface their face and they'll do skin tightening on their arms.
Okay.
So it can be used separately or it can be used in conjunction, either with the resurfacing or also with liposuction to cause additional skin tightening for those clients that would normally have to do some more major surgical procedure like skin excision, tummy tucks, those types of things.
All right, let's picture say it all, right?
Sure.
Let's take a look at some before and after. So let's talk about downtime, and I'm certain that varies depending on what you're doing, right? The type
Correct.
Of
so, with the skin tightening, you're looking at really a day, which is awesome.
Okay.
And then you're going to be back to regular activities and then back to strenuous cardio, heavy weightlifting at 2 weeks. And with the resurfacing, you're looking at about 10 days to 2 weeks just to get that new, fresh baby skin.
Wow, look at that's amazing, though. That would typically require, you would think, a surgical procedure.
Correct. And this is the closest that I have seen to surgical results with a non-surgical device. So, you're really excited. I'm really excited.
And you do this in your office, right?
Correct.
Okay, so who's a good candidate?
So, everyone is going to need to come in and do their own consultations.
Okay.
For the skin tightening, just as long as there's not, severe amount of excess skin, people are going to be good clients. Okay. And as long for the resurfacing is that you're not super dark skinned,
okay,
then you're going to be probably a good client for that. If you aren't a candidate for this particular type of procedure, we do have other procedures in the office to accommodate all skin types, all ethnicities.
Right.
So that's where it's really important to come in, have that consultation. We don't use any IV or general anesthesia for these procedures. It's all done under oral, local, and a little laughing gas if you need it. So we just have to take a look at the individual client.
Absolutely. It's all about you, and that's why that consultation is very important. Thank you very much, Dr. I always learn something from you. She also brought along a special offer for the first 10 callers who call in will receive 20% off a Renuvion procedure, but you got to have that all-important consultation. Advanced Image Med Spa is located at 7942 West Bell Road, that's suite number 2 in Glendale. To book an appointment, call 480-845-4121. Learn more at advancedimagemedspa.com.